Welcome to Safe and Trusted Canada. This video tutorial is about credentials. A business that lists their credentials has advantages over one that does not. The business that lists their credentials gets a score based on what is listed. A company that lists credentials they do not have has an alert placed on their profile as it is a violation of our site terms and conditions. Consumers check for credentials, especially with contractors. The higher scores also mean that the business view in a subscription level may also increase. So here is how it works. We have a credential score for every business based on the number of checks. So here we have required licensing, legal requirements, advertised name. Our business guarantees all credentials listed in the profile is accurate. We have a complaint process directly to the business owner. Each of those receives 1 point. If you've been in business for 10 years or more, selecting 10 years or more gives you 3 points. If you've been in business for 5 years or more, it gives you 2 points. If you've been in business 3 years or more, it gives you 1 point. So the only thing that you select here is if you've been in 10 years in business, you wouldn't select all 3, you would just select the 1. So the maximum score that you could get as a business, if you're not a contractor, is 8. And that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3 for the 10 years in business means 8. If you are a contractor, again, you can add more points. But if you're not a contractor, then do not fill out the contractor credentials. Let's go through with the credentials. This is what most professional affiliated or affiliations would ask consumers to check for with regarding a contractor. So each of these particular points receives 1 point. So liability insurance is currently in place. Workers' compensation will supply proof or credentials to clients. Will supply testimonial and customer references if needed. Will supply images of workmanship of past projects. Will supply free quotes in writing. Will give supplier references to protect consumers from liens. All our sub-trades are licensed. We'll work with written contracts. Contracts detail deposits and progress payments. We'll provide written warranty for consumer and workmanship. And we are covered under home warranty program. All receive 1 point. The area that makes a difference is you have contractors who work primarily with their own employees, and you have contractors who subcontract everything out to other contractors they trust. So that is the two differences. So as an example, if you were a general contractor and you're contracting everything out to sub-trades, this is the one you would click. So the maximum number of points, if you list everything correctly, would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So if you had a top score in the credentials, 13 and 8 is 21. So that's the maximum score you could get as a contractor. Thank you for listening to this video and have a great day.